Hello friends, welcome to Tax Riders. So today we are going to discuss a very new topic, that is virtual CFO. So may be aware that there are so many companies in which we have seen chief financial officer who are looking after the financial matters of the company, like they are dealing with the CEO of the companies, they are looking the numbers at monthly level, they are looking the compliances, they are dealing with the auditors, they are dealing with other departments like income tax, GST. So virtual CFO has a very important role in every company, but the cost to maintain chief financial officer is very high. So it's not possible for small or medium companies to maintain a CFO for looking all these matters. So there is a service available in the market of virtual CFO who is not a permanent employee of the company and not working as a working hours of the company, but his services available at a very reasonable cost to small and medium companies. The functions is almost same, but the thing is the cost is minimal which need to be paid to the virtual CFO. So let's discuss our first video. So friends, we will discuss who is virtual CFO. So as you are aware that virtual CFO or CFO is a very senior executive person of the company of the firm who is in charge of company finance, generating financial report and managing financial risk. CFO provides the financial report to shareholders which help to make a decision for company's growth. As you know that internal CFOs having a high compensation. Virtual CFO is adaptable to businesses as per the client's requirement or drive engagements and very cost efficient. So friends, let's discuss what is the need for a virtual CFO. So if a company doesn't have a finance function or department, they can outsource it. Apart from outsourcing the finance function, they can use the virtual CFO service through remotely or external consultant. As you are aware that in the time of digitization, business are changing very frequently, and startup and small or medium sized company can't afford the full time CFO, so they are using the services of virtual CFO, and the demand of virtual CFO is increasing day by day. Traditional CFO is uh, not very useful in the world of digitizations if they are not improving their self according to the requirement, digital requirement. So in that case the virtual CFO can play a vital role for the company growth. So friends, let's discuss what are the benefit of having virtual CFO. So virtual CFO help in budgeting. So its budget are monthly expense or yearly expense in advance. Growth strategy. Virtual CFO explains us or helps in getting the finances from the banks to grow the business. Structure in hierarchy. CFO helps to or have the ability to implement any changes in organization authority structure which help for the organization growth. Financial forecast. So CFO helps us to forecast our expenses based on the expansions or growth of the company. So friends, we will discuss how virtual CFO is good for startups. So as you are aware that CFO is a backbone of the company who is strategize the company's policies or finance policies, who helps to grow the company, but a in-house CFO is available at high cost. So virtual CFO, who can do all the functions of the full-time CFO, is available at a fraction of the cost of the full-time CFO. So as you are aware, all businesses need a bookkeepers or accountants, but CFO has a vital role which helps to grow the company and fulfill the compliances as well. So there is a vital role of the CFO in the company's growth, and virtual CFO fills that gap at a minimum cost. So friends, in this slide we will see what are the policy and procedure of a virtual CFO. So as you are aware that entrepreneurs or the promoters or owners of the company, they are busy in making their dream into reality. So they highly dependent on the CFO or the virtual CFO to run their business and looking after all the compliances of the business successfully. So the first one is the payroll management. The virtual CFO establish the payroll management system in the company. They do the TDS processing, exit process, and look after the PF, PSI, and other compliances of the employees. Apart from the payroll management, CFO is looking after the receivables and payables of the company. They are following up with the debtors to realize their money, and they also settle the balances with vendors. Cash management. Cash is a very important tool of any business. So to efficiently manage the cash register of the company is the main function of the CFO. So friends, we can say that if you are a small and medium enterprises and can't afford a full-time CFO for the organization, so it is better to go with virtual CFO services which is available in the market, in which highly experienced person available to assist the business as full-time CFO do at a very minimal cost. So friend, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like and share, and you can follow me on LinkedIn at the name of C. Ankit Kumar Singhal. Thank you.